Hi, my name is Emily, and this is the presentation for the volcano experiment. So the first thing that I did was do an overview of what the procedure for this would be, which was pretty simple. You just took baking soda and wrapped it in a paper towel, and then put that in an empty bottle and added vinegar. So the first thing that I did was I pulled out all of the needed supplies, which was the vinegar, baking soda, and then the water bottle that I had was full of water, so I had to empty that out. Um, so the first thing that I did was I emptied the water bottle and I placed it into the sink. After that, I took a small amount of baking soda and I placed it on a paper towel. And then before I folded it, I ripped off some of the excess so that there wasn't so much of the paper towel. And then I folded it up into the paper towel. After that, I went ahead and I put the paper towel into the bottle and started to add the vinegar. Which I wasn't really sure what the ratio for this would be, which was a issue that I encountered with this. I'm not sure entirely if I did it right or not. As you can see in the video, I just added more vinegar as I went because I wasn't entirely sure how much I needed for the reaction to do what it was supposed to do, or what the ratio should be for that. What I noticed was just that the paper towel kind of like poofed up like a balloon. Which you can kind of see there. And I added more vinegar so that it kind of submerged the paper towel, just because I wasn't sure if I had enough vinegar in there, so but as I added more, nothing changed. There wasn't any more of a reaction than what there already was with the paper towel just kind of poofing up like a balloon. So going into why the reaction occurred how it did, obviously, baking soda is a base and then vinegar is an acid. So whenever they react together, the baking soda, it takes a proton from the vinegar, and the reaction results in the baking soda forming into transforming into water and carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide gas is then released during the reaction, during the experiment. And that is what, because the paper towel was wrapped around the baking soda, it kind of trapped the gas a little bit, which is why the paper towel kind of like poofed up like a balloon how it did, because the gas was being trapped inside of that paper towel.